Hello guys, I'm going to show you 3 types of ways to get a lot of slabs. Tip 1, join a server with many people in it, then grind slabs. And then that's why I have 50,000 plus slabs. Now tip 2. You want to go to the Slapple Island to get more slabs. Going on the Slapple Island there will be red gloves that are like mantles, but are just gloves. If you touch them, you gain slabs. You even have to do a parkour to get up in the Slapple Island. I slipped. Okay, let's try again. Because some people are not friendly. They slap you. For the last tip, you want to join tournaments because they give 100 plus slaps. Make sure to always join them. Because me, I'm grinding for Flex Glove. So that's all. Please subscribe and don't forget the bell button and like for a cookie.